Oh, we're doing this now. Okay. Hi, I'm Tiffany McCall and welcome to SugarX. Today we're going to be making hand-decorated sugar cookies. The first set of cookies I ever made was in 2011, I want to say. I should really know this. Hold on, let me figure this out. I lived in London when I picked this up. So 2011 was the first set of cookies that I ever did, and then I went full-time in 2015. And I was looking for a job, and whatever I did next, I just knew it needed to be something that I could do all day and looked forward to doing it. And it kind of just took over. I'm a plain Jane girl. I like a salted chocolate chip cookie is my favorite. That's just, at the end of the day, that's the only one I want.